Hey everyone, Joel Minds here, and welcome back to Little Alchemy. So, I found out that you can mix pressure and pressure, or not, or was it steam and steam? Anyway, I found out you can mix something. So, I might have forgotten what that something was, but look, I have just made fog by mixing cloud with earth. Fog with fog, fog with earth. Fog with fire? Okay, so I have fog now, okay? I have fog, but what can I mix fog with? Fog with rain? Dang it, I thought that would make something. Fog with windmill. Wind and windmill? Does that make like flour or something? No. Okay. So, I'm going to try fire and brick. No. Fire and cloud. Fire and cloud. I'm sorry, the cloud disappeared. So house and house apparently makes village. Oh, cool. And then I heard from a friend that village and village makes something even better. City. But I don't know if city and city makes anything, so let me try it. Nope, nothing. Okay. Cloud and earth. Fog. I just made that. City and fog. Oh, I made smog. Cool. Smog and fire. Okay. Smog and plant. Smog and rain. Acid rain? There's a quick little picture. Acid rain. And then there's lava. And there's fire. And it's raining on the city. And everyone's being all mad and scared. But anyway. Now I have algae. Algae and fire. No. That would kind of make burned algae. But algae and volcano. Algae and windmill. Algae and volcano. Didn't I just try that? I don't know. Hard to keep track in Little Alchemy. And as you can see right here, I have 28 items out of 580 of them. So I guess I'm not very close to completing the game. Okay, so I'm going to try swamp and swamp. Dang it, I thought that would make Shrek. Maybe swamp and life would make Shrek. Okay, swamp and lava. Okay, fire and fire. Fire and house. Fire and mud. Dang it. What the heck does smog make, though? Smog and water? I know it makes acid rain. Smog and fog. No. Smog and house. Smog and lava. Smog and mud. Smog and plant. Rain? Oh yeah, that makes acid rain. Okay. Nothing that I'm really seeing, so that might have been it. Oh, rain and plant. No. Rain and steam, rain and swamp. Rain and water. No, it's rain, water. Okay, so I'm going to try to create stone. How? Try to create stone, it says. You can obviously create stone, it says. I don't know how to create stone, I say. Too bad, they say. Okay, air and earth. Dust. Dust and dust. Dust and city. Dust and brick. I know something makes stone here. I'm going to try to get to 30 in this video, but if I can't, then too bad. Wall and volcano. Wall and smog. I've already tried that. Wall and rain. Wall and mud. Wall and lava. wall and everything. This is the point where I'm just mixing everything because I'm desperate to find something new. Has anything new appeared yet? Nope. Okay. I actually don't have much time to record this, actually. Got places to be. And I made a sea. And I made an ocean. Dang it, ocean and ocean doesn't make anything. But ocean and volcano. Isle. What the? Isle, okay. I've got isle now. So I've got 32. Isle in there. Just check that again. Island brick, island fire. Okay, nothing. Nothing at all. Island windmill. How about isle with a windmill? Okay. So, as I said, I don't have much time to record this, so I guess smash that like button with your jewel mining pickaxes, and I'll see you guys later. Good.